Click.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, what's up, Blockheads? Here with Giselle, girl on two wheels.
Hey guys.
Go give her a follow. We're up here at Viant. We're up here at Standard Motorcycle Company, one of the official sponsors of the FXR Dyna Day. We're gonna say what up to Jason Paul Michaels real quick. Ooh, it smells like burning metal in here.
Hey Jason.
What's up, guys? Come on up and just looking at the new Vance & Hines mushy muffler. Yeah.
They're actually quiet inserts.
These are quiet inserts, exactly.
Replacing the battery.
And like the R&D phase, or?
It's actually staged for muffler cams.
Look, but they gave us 4 of them, one for each.
Oh man. Don't make a mess.
Modular.
Don't make a mess of this.
Oh, I'm such a slut.
So that's, yeah. All right. What's going on, guys?
What's up, man?
Nothing.
Good to see you, sir.
Giselle, how you doing?
Pretty good. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, totally. You guys like stepped in. We're like super busy.
Yeah, things are in full swing.
Yeah. Did you see the barbershop?
We're gonna check out the quiet chill space.
Go ahead, ladies. After you. On through. It's a little quieter in here. It gets a little hectic in the shop.
Yeah.
We got the jams.
Man, it's baby making music right now.
It is baby making
So good.
music. I love
We're supposed to talk about the upcoming FXR event,
it.
right?
I know.
FXR Dyna Day.
Super stoked about
Who
that.
thought of this?
Actually, the FXR Dyna Day, it is the brainchild of 3 young Harley fanatics. You know, myself, I represent the Iron Lilies, the women's riding group local in Orlando. And my friends, Jordan from Performance Harley and Brandon from Low Life Speedworks, and we all just kind of came together and said, you know what? Orlando needs something fresh for Bike Week, something to rejuvenate the culture that we love so much. You know, Daytona Bike Week, a lot of people think, oh, that's for big wheel baggers or for choppers, and there's sometimes we feel like we don't really fit with that culture, and so maybe just a fresh take on it, and nothing like matches that idea better than Standard. So I hit up my buddy Jason and said, hey, can you help out? And he's like gracious enough to sponsor the event.
No, super stoked. I think you guys are right. Like, it's time for new stuff in the industry. Where we're at right now in motorcycling, I think, is a really cool place, right? Because like you said, there's this group that doesn't fit in, and it's not just a bunch of rebellious, you know, it's nice people with good jobs and, you know, wonderful lives and families, and like, we just have a different style, a different aesthetic, right? And I think it's youth. So Standard, right, is totally like, our thing is different. We're in a salon in a barber shop, and right past that wall is a full custom motorcycle shop and co-op garage.
Yeah, it's like a family of misfits.
It is. It is a family of misfits.
Yeah.
Yes, 100%.
You know, you come here and you're like, dude, all these are my people, right?
That's it. That's
know?
it. And I think the FXR Dyna Day and doing a stunt show at Ace is awesome because it's a culture change, right? You know, stunting's been around for a long time, but now what these guys are doing, you know, Brandon and then East Coasting crew, watching these dudes rip like full Harleys in confined spaces like this, it's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Dude, the first time I saw somebody do a wheelie on a Harley, I was like, no.
I know.
Yeah.
Like, what?
That's a thing.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
You always see it on sport bikes, and then I'm like, dude, Harleys weigh a lot. Oh, man, it's crazy
Yeah.
that they do what they do.
It's wild, man, and I think that, go ahead, Nina, come on through.
No, you're right.
This is real. This is real. This is totally real.
It's a working shop.
Yeah, I mean, like, you know, the stunt racing, and then at Daytona, right, we're gonna have hooligan racing this year. So, you know, you guys who are watching Volusia County Speedway, indoor races, we're gonna be doing indoor super hooligan flat track there. That's gonna be rad. I know you're gonna be out there.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah, it's great, and I think, you know, partnering up and doing these type of events, engaging, using a place like Ace Cafe is like critical to getting people.
That's awesome. It's so central too.
Yeah.
It's time to embrace the counterculture.
Yeah.
This is the year, 2018 Bike Week.
Totally.
Wouldn't it be like the counterculture of the counterculture?
I think so.
So
I think
meta.
so. That's a good one.
Countercultureception.
Yeah. You guys want to see the rest of the shop real quick?
Yeah.
We'll just kind of buzz
Check it
through.
out. For those of you that don't know, if you guys didn't check out, so when Adam Sandoval was here, we did a walkthrough with Jason.
We got something going on back here.
Is that gold leaf facial?
So full barbershop, full salon. Our staff are certified by some of the top brands in the industry. Paul Mitchell, Hara Hanzo Scissors. Like, you know, we are on point. On point but tight space. Come on through, man.
Alrighty.
All right.
Hey, Danny boy.
So yeah, in here.
Where's the bathroom?
bathroom straight over there.
To the right.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
We're doing it live.
Doing it live, everybody.
Yeah.
So barbershop and salon in here, lounge. Eventually we're gonna have a full coffee bar here in partnership with Foxtail. So that'll be really cool.
After block.
We need a restroom sign. So this is like our mid-lounge, our shop, shop area. Hang out in here. We got the dartboard, books, magazines.
And you can peep on that.
You can peep on the shop, right? Funny story. So none of these walls. Well, you remember, Giselle, I think in the beginning, none of this existed. Like, we built all these walls, and the walls got built because I found those windows. And I was like, these windows need a wall.
So you built a wall around.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. That's too cool.
But in the shop, you never know what's going on. Hey, Raj, tell everybody what's up.
Hi.
What's up, man? Good to
I do
meet you.
things.
This is Blockhead.
I'm Blockhead.
What up, man?
How are you?
So Raj has got a Sportster. He's doing a bunch of work too. Van pipes, fuel pack, new suspension, upgrading with some nice new fancy pieces. Putting it all together on a nice raised up lift.
I know.
So you're not on your back in your garage.
I don't even have
like,
a garage. I do it in an
upside
apartment
down.
parking lot.
His membership, I'll never forget the first time he came in here, he was like, oh my God. I can't even tell you, I'm used to working on the sidewalk. Like, that's a reality.
Yeah.
And especially in Orlando.
That's horrible. No one should ever have to work on a sidewalk. That's horrible.
Take it from that guy. Yeah, exactly. But so we built out the whole facility as a co-op, so people can come in and they can work. It's membership based. Think of it like a gym. Depending on your level of commitment and involvement, you can come in and you can work. We have tech support on staff, fabrication. You can do everything here. Whatever you want to do with a motorcycle, you can do here now.
And we will.
Absolutely.
Awesome shop, very clean. Love it. All right, so for you viewers, we actually, Jason and I talked for just a second, just a little bit.
Yeah.
But we're gonna be working possibly on the Dyna, showing you guys what standard motorcycle company can do.
Very cool.
So
Heck yeah.
something to look forward to. It's gonna be awesome, man.
I love it, but I'm not allowed to wheelie because I crash all of the time. That's why I'm a hooligan racer.
No wheelies. Flat track only for you.
Thank you so much for coming by, you guys.
Yeah,
We'll see you. Have fun. All right.